Hey, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, my name is Bryce Alwyn, and I just unboxed the Apple Watch Ultra 2. If you want to see that, click on the previous video. But this video is all about us setting it up and possibly taking advantage of Apple's new to me, I don't know if it's new to everybody else, service where it sounds like you can FaceTime an advisor to help you set everything up and expedite it. We might need to do that depending on how hard and challenging this is, so let's get into the video. So, as mentioned before, we unboxed everything. I was trying to get everything out of the way. This is the cable that we have for it. Now, we started it up in the last video. We haven't gone any further than that. It says to bring iPhone near Apple Watch. Oh, and now it pops up. It says, use your iPhone to set up this Apple Watch. Continue. Set up Apple Watch. Set it up for myself or a family member. Set up for myself. Hold Apple Watch up to the camera. Okay. Your Apple Watch is paired. Restore from backup or setup. Which one should I do? I mean, I didn't back up this watch, but I don't really want to lose all my data. Just set it up as a new Apple Watch. Left wrist preference. Terms and conditions, agree. Apple Watch passcode. When you set a passcode, Apple Watch locks when you take it off and requires the passcode to unlock. This helps protect your data. So create a password. Create a passcode on your Apple Watch. All right, I will do that off screen right now. Ooh, the vibrations feel good on this Apple Watch. First time I felt that. Bold text and size. So it's set to that as normal. This is the smallest that it can get. And this is the largest. Wow, that's big. Shared settings. Apple Watch shares settings with iPhone for location services, Find My iPhone, Siri, and analytics and improvement. Some watch faces and apps may use your location when location services is on. Fitness and health apps will be downloaded to your iPhone. Apple Watch automatically works with a Share My Location when you leave your iPhone behind. Okay. Your Apple Watch microphone can measure sound levels without recording audio and notify you if they might impair your hearing. I do not want this on personally because I like loud music in the car and it always annoys me. Safety, SOS, fall detection during workouts, crash detection, siren, and backtrack. In a remote setting, Apple Watch can record your route in case you get lost. I like that. Cellular setup, cellular. Now I have Visible Mobile for my carrier, so I'm going to sign in. All right, it is pulling my plan. It's connected to a different watch. To connect this watch, instead tap replace. Oh, that's pretty easy. So I just replace, updating your account. All right, it says account updated. Follow prompts on screen to add the watch. Once activation is complete, please proceed with the steps below. Oh, you want me to remember all these steps? Let me screenshot this. What the hell did it say? Turn off Wi-Fi in your Apple Watch. There's no new steps on my phone. Please continue setup on iPhone. Okay, so cellular is ready. When Apple Watch is away from your iPhone, you can make calls, receive calls, send messages, and get calendar and mail updates over cellular. You can be reached on your Apple Watch at the same number as your iPhone. Double tap. Use your index finger and thumb together twice to answer a call, reply to a message, see your smart stack, and more. Oh, that's cool. Never knew that. That's brand new to me. Action button. Choose what you'd like the action button to do. Workout, dive, flashlight, voice note, translate. That would be very good when I go to Asia. Recognize music. I wanted to do workout. Open depth when submerged. Yes. Underwater activities are risky. To dive safely, follow these steps to reduce your risk and injury. Safety guys. How about get your diving license? Signing into your account. This may take a few minutes. Okay, I'm going to set up my Apple Pay off screen right now. Okay, so I added like 6 of my cards, Hit done, and then it said, welcome to your Apple Watch. Done. Hello, start. I think I might need to adjust this like one loop up and tighten it. Start. Learn how to navigate Apple Watch. Press the digital crown to see your apps. Okay. Press digital crown to return to your watch face. Press the side button to open Control Center. It came with 71% battery. Press the side button to close Control Center. Turn the crown to see your widgets. Okay, allow world clock to use your approximate location. Sure. That's kind of cool. It goes around the watch face for the minute, so it should switch to 56. Hey, kind of cool. Now, something that my other watches didn't have was always on display. Kind of cool. Never had that before. I'm gonna go explore this Apple Watch. Setup was pretty easy. I did not need to take advantage of that FaceTime session. You can do it yourself or just use this as your guide. Super easy to set up. And if you've already had credit cards, debit cards, and prepaid cards on your iPhone, they recognize and are sent over to here. And all you need to do is get the CVV code on the back, and you type in the CVV code, and then adds them right to your watch. Pretty easy. So I'm gonna go explore this brand new Apple Watch, find out all the quirks, features, things I like, things I dislike, and that will be the next video, all the new features and things that I discovered coming from a 2021 Apple Watch SE over to the brand new Miss Beyonce is jealous Apple Watch Ultra 2.